Kenya's universal health coverage program has received a significant boost thanks to a donation from the World Health Organization. The contribution handed over at State House Nairobi includes new ambulances and essential medical supplies. The equipment will be deployed to 7 national referral hospitals and the National Emergency Response Center, while additional ambulances are on their way to 𝐿𝐺𝐬𝐬𝐿, Marsabit, Isiolo, Samburu, and Tana River, focusing on reproductive and maternal health services. President William Ruto said the support will strengthen emergency referrals, expand oxygen capacity, and enhance Kenya's readiness to tackle cholera, mpox, and other health threats.
This support goes to the heart of our universal health coverage agenda, advancing safe pregnancies, healthy mothers, thriving newborns, and responsive systems. The new resources will strengthen emergency referral care, improve oxygen capacity, reduce maternal and newborn deaths in high-burden counties, and sharpen our readiness for cholera.
As the KCSE exams wraps up this week, Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Ogamba has assured the public that the integrity of the results is being fully protected. He noted that preparations for the marking are already underway and center managers have been given strict directives to enforce discipline, including switching off and securing their mobile phones. Speaking in Ruiru, Kiambu County, while supervising the opening of geography and physics papers, Cabinet Secretary Ogamba also announced that senior secondary schools will welcome their first cohort under the new system on January 12th next year. He emphasized the importance of supporting learners transitioning under the competence-based education CBE system. Addressing concerns over tensions between JSS teachers and secondary school heads, Ogamba said the matter is being handled administratively. He further highlighted that ongoing enrollment verification will ensure fair allocation of teachers and infrastructure, particularly in densely populated areas.
As you are aware, we've been undertaking a verification exercise of all our numbers, all our enrollments in our schools. And the purpose of that exercise is to determine the situations in all our schools, including which are the schools that have large numbers of students, so that we can plan increased infrastructure in order to ensure that they are comfortable in the working environment.
Labour Cabinet Secretary Alfred Mutua has dismissed reports that Kenyans recruited under the Kazi Majuu program at the coast are stranded. Of the 500 selected, he clarified 300 have already travelled, 121 are awaiting departure, and 84 hold valid visas. Mutua also warned against rogue recruitment agencies, revealing that 600 have been deregistered in the past year, including one currently under DCI investigation for allegedly defrauding applicants. He urged Kenyans to maintain clean health records, noting that many miss out on opportunities after failing drug tests.
Others who have been misbehaving, we are making sure that we deregister them, we don't renew their licenses. So every year, there is the number we are not renewing their licenses, and the number is increasing. And so people are starting to shape up because they know now we are serious, we are not going to play with their lives.
Still on matters economic empowerment, more than 100 young people from Lamu and Tana River counties have successfully completed a 3-month vocational training program organized by Ujuzi Mashinani. Participants gained practical skills in tailoring, mobile phone repair, and motorcycle maintenance. The initiative is designed to empower youth from low-income rural communities, helping them become self-reliant and reduce their dependency on formal employment.
Vijana waliosoma, mwingine amaliza form 4, wengine standard 8. Lakini wazazi wao ni maskini, hawakuwa na uwezo kwenda chuo kikuu pengine ama hata kwenda high school. Sasa na kazi pia hakuna.
The Isiolo Central Farmers Cooperative has elected new officials after years of alleged mismanagement and massive embezzlement that left more than 800 members frustrated. The new team, led by Chairperson Aisha Ahmed, was voted in on November 18th and is expected to restore accountability after long-time members, including 38-year-old founder 𝐶𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐥𝐞𝐢𝐠𝐡 said they have never benefited since the cooperative's registration in 1985. Ahmed says over 3 million shillings were siphoned in the past year alone, and that she faced threats after raising the alarm, prompting police investigations and the push for change.
Nitawafanyia kazi, nitaleta changes, nitaonesha ya kuwa hapo Isiolo Central Farmers ni ya kila mtu ambaye alikuwa member of Isiolo Central Farmers, wazee wetu kina Esokon ambaye walikuwa waanzilishi, saa ine sisi ambaye ndio tumekuja kwa saa hii, nitafanya kazi.
In sports, Kenya's James Mwanza Musembi is the new Deaflympics men's 1,500 meters champion after storming to victory in 3 minutes 45 seconds and 61 semiseconds at the Tokyo 2025 Summer Deaflympics. His compatriot 𝐿𝐾𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐥𝐞𝐢𝐠𝐡 took silver in 3 minutes 50 seconds and 22 milliseconds, while Sharon Bitok Jeptarus claimed bronze in the men's race in 4 minutes 43 seconds and 65 milliseconds, bringing Kenya's medal tally to 7. Musembi dominated the race from the start to finish, earning praise from the deaf athletes coach Samuel Kibet, who tipped him as a future star. Former champion 𝐿𝐾𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐥𝐞 finished fourth, while the women's event was won by Julia Emilvana of Russia. Despite a tough field, Bitok found hard to secure bronze as she eyes more success in the upcoming 800 meters.
I know that there were so many competitors who were chasing after me, but I had a goal, and my goal was my medal. And it is very important for me because this is my life. I'm an athlete. And I thank God for this medal. I feel blessed.
And that's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk.